Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to this video, Turkish Künefe Dessert, crispy, gooey, and easier than you think. In this part, we'll talk about what künefe is, where it comes from, and why this hot, cheesy dessert is loved across Turkey and beyond. Hot, cheesy, and soaked in fragrant syrup, Turkish Künefe dessert is the kind of sweet that makes people go quiet for a moment at first bite. The outside is crisp and golden, the inside is soft and stretchy with melted cheese, and every strand of pastry carries a buttery, sweet taste. Künefe comes from the Hatay region of Turkey, near the city of Antakya, and is loved across the Middle East and Mediterranean. You will also see it under its Arabic names, künefe or künefe, in many bakeries and dessert shops. In this guide, you will learn what künefe is, how it tastes, and how to make a small pan of it at home with simple tools. You will also get easy tips for serving, storing and tweaking the recipe to fit your own kitchen. What is Turkish Künefe dessert and where did it come from? Künefe is a traditional dessert made with thin shredded phyllo pastry, called kadayif, that is pressed into a pan with butter and filled with mild, stretchy cheese. After cooking, it is soaked with warm sugar syrup and topped with crushed pistachios. The roots of künefe are often linked to Hatay, a region in southern Turkey that shares many food traditions with nearby Syria and Lebanon. From there, it spread across Turkey and other countries, each place adding its own touch. In Arabic-speaking areas, you will see it labeled as künefe or künefe, but the idea stays the same. Crisp pastry plus cheese plus syrup. The texture is what makes people fall in love with künefe. The top turns crunchy and golden, the middle stays soft and almost custard-like, and the cheese pulls into long strings when you cut a slice. The syrup brings a clean, bright sweetness that is balanced with a squeeze of lemon. Butter gives a rich aroma, and pistachios add color, a light nutty flavor, and a little extra bite. Served hot, künefe feels like a cross between a dessert and a warm cheese snack, which is why many people enjoy it at night with tea or coffee. Key ingredients that give künefe its signature taste. A good künefe depends on a few simple ingredients working together. Kadayif, shredded phyllo pastry, forms the crisp shell. The thin strands trap butter and syrup, so you get both crunch and tenderness. Unsalted stretchy cheese creates the gooey center. In Turkey, people often use künefe peyniri or a similar fresh cheese. At home, unsalted low-moisture mozzarella or mild akawi cheese works well. Butter or ghee coats the pastry and gives that deep, toasted flavor while helping the strands brown evenly. Sugar syrup, made from sugar, water, and a small squeeze of lemon, adds sweetness and shine. Ground pistachios give color and a gentle nutty taste. If you live outside Turkey, frozen kadayif and supermarket mozzarella are fine. Just choose a cheese that melts well and is not very salty. Different regional styles of künefe you might see. As künefe spread, it picked up different styles. Now that you understand the story, texture, and key ingredients behind Turkish künefe, it's time to see how it all comes together in the kitchen. In the next video, we'll walk through the step-by-step process to make künefe at home. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.